Alright, YouTube, starting to get warm out there. So got a little air conditioning, automotive air conditioning tips you may need to check out in your car. Stay tuned. You need to know this. I'm William Bailey. Let's get right to it. Show you some videos I've taken. This is on a Hummer H3. A lot of GM compressor plates look like this. This is the compressor here. Spinning. Come on, focus. You should be able to see the compressor stop. See it stopped here. If that is turning very slow after it has, whether you've turned the AC off or it's short cycling, this plate is bad. There's a rubber, almost like a harmonic balancer. There's a rubber separating an inner cylinder from this outer cylinder disc plate, and the rubber is bad. If this continues to move when it shuts off, you need to replace it ASAP. I'll give you some pictures here. This is the old one. As you can see, right there, that rubber is dry rotted. In the center here, it has spun from just rot, and it's allowed this cylinder to be pulled and stay out. Show you. Good picture here. There's rubber, some rubber in there. You can see where it's just dry rotted and just come to pieces. This piece here will not go in and out. Once the clutch is pulled in, it stays in. It releases a little bit, and as you can see right here, there's a lip. Come on now, right? Yeah, it's sticking out. That should be flush. This should be flush with that. It's not, it's sticking out. If yours is sticking out like that, you can guarantee that rubber has slipped, and you're just going to overheat your air compressor, cause catastrophic failure. Not good. Again, I'll show you the picture here of it short cycling. This is with a new clutch plate. There. It stopped, does not move. That's what you want. All right. Have any questions? Leave them in the comments. Just something I run across. I was in that Hummer and heard a squeal. It wasn't for very long. It was enough to get my attention. And I noticed when the compressor short cycled, the compressor was still turning very slowly, and that is a lot of friction. It gets hot quick, and that'll destroy your AC compressor. Catastrophic failure. All right, y'all have a blessed day. God bless everybody. Love you. See ya.